Congratulations, you just received your new Smokette Model 025. My name is Butch Flick and I'm going to show you how to set up your smoker for your first smoke. As soon as you remove the smoker from its box, you need to open the door and make sure you have these included contents. Your smoker should come with a control head, a meat temperature probe, an operator's manual, a Smoking at Home cookbook, a Cookshack registration card, a 5-pound box of wood chunks, 4 casters, 2 grill inserts, 2 side racks, a wood box insert, and a foil drip pan. Next, you need to find a location for your smoker. This location needs to be dry, sheltered, ventilated, and have access to a standard 3-prong outlet. We recommend you run the smoker outdoors, allowing you to have the proper ventilation. A vent hole is located at the top of the smoker. A small amount of smoke will escape from the vent hole during operation. Be sure never to cover your vent hole, as this will cause thermostat failure. Whenever placing your smoker outside, make sure that it's still sheltered from the elements. Now that you've found your location, we can begin assembly. The assembly required of your smoker is to install the casters, as well as the control head. Here we already have the smoker laid on its back. Whenever doing this at home, make sure to have 2 people lift the smoker and lay it on a surface that won't scratch the stainless steel. Inside of your box, you'll find a wrench, 2 locking casters, and 2 non-locking casters. The 2 locking casters will go in the front 2 positions, and the 2 non-locking casters will go in the rear 2 positions. To install the control head, you will first need to remove the 8 Phillips head screws that align with the control head slots. Plug the control connections into the smoker. There will be 1 white connector and 1 yellow connector. Place the control head on top of the smoker, aligning the holes, and secure it in place with the 8 Phillips head screws. Now that assembly is complete, I'm going to show you how to season your smoker. First, you'll want to plug in the electrical cord. Secondly, you'll want to take 2 to 3 pieces of wood chunks, place them inside of your wood box, and then reinsert into your smoker. Shut the door and lock the latch. Next, you'll want to turn on the control head of the smoker. For seasoning your smoker, you'll want to set the oven temperature to 275 degrees. The adjust bar allows you to go up and down in increments of 5. Let the smoker smoke for a minimum of 4 hours. Now that your smoker is seasoned, I'm going to show you how to prepare your smoker for the first smoke. First, you'll take your drip pan and place it underneath both drain holes. Next, you'll need to get 2 pieces of heavy-duty aluminum foil. The first piece will go over the lid of your wood box. The second piece will go on the bottom of your smoker. Make sure to punch a hole through the aluminum foil so that drippings can escape down into the drip pan. The meat probe is used to show the internal temperature of whatever you're cooking. To use the meat probe, plug it into the right side of your control housing, drop through the vent hole, and then place in the largest piece of meat that you're cooking. The internal temperature will show on the bottom display of your controller. With your smoker seasoned and lined with foil, you're ready to load the meat. Now get smoking!